Good morning, it's a Monday, 24 of November. So kailangan natin tumakbo na naman for 10K for preparation for next year. Dalawang marathon in 1 month guys next year. So abangan ninyo kung kaya ba. So be safe always guys and have a good day. Easy lang tayo guys, easy. So mag-pace lang tayo ng 6 minutes. Okay, keep going. Tingnan yung weather ngayon. Hindi na naman masyadong malamig. Chill lang. Pawis. Morning. Lapit na mag 1K. 1K. Keep moving. Tukin tayo. Alright. Keep moving. Keep running. 3 kilometers na tayo guys. Okay? Easy lang. Chill. Yeah, tugnaw man di ay. Continue. Mag 4K na tayo. Okay lang. Magpa 4K na tayo. Zone 2 lang tayo guys. Steady lang yung heart rate natin. Kasi galing pa tayo night. $4K na. Magpa 5K na tayo. 5K na. Easy lang. Trusted promise there. Okay na. Okay. $5K. Alright. Continue lang tayo. Magsi 6K na tayo guys. Lapit na. 6K na. Easy lang. Kaya yun yan guys. Magsi 7 na tayo guys. Magsi 7K na. Takbo na kayo guys. Kahit easy lang muna. Kaka-start ko lang last year November. So ka 1 year ko lang. Not bad. 7K na. Keep going. So mag 8 na tayo. 8 kilometers. 8K. Easy lang. Heart rate natin guys. Check natin. 145. Pace check. 8 kilometers. Ayos pa naman. Maulap guys. Clean. Cloudy. Pero ayos lang. Malamig. Pero kaya lang. Magna 9K na. 9K. So, kaya natin magsabuan na 10 na easy lang. Keep pushing. Lapit na, 1K na lang. So mag 10K na tayo. $140, $141. $10K na tayo. 10K. Yeah! Sabuan tayo, 10K. Easy lang. Thank you for watching, guys. Keep moving. Keep running.